Hello everyone, my name is Macy Ogden. I'm going to be going over today one of my Tableau assignments. We are supposed to be doing this in our human resources class. We were comparing different types of um, personal care products. We organize them based on lotions, hair cares, and body wash and soaps to see how well they did compared to other products around the world. We did things that were here in the United States, and then we compared things in different areas which are more popular. As you can see, like on this graph, there we go, we can make it all color. We had it separated into three sections into the body washes and soaps, hair care, and lotions, and we saw which ones had the most profit per department. So as you can see for the body wash and soaps, Neutrogena, the Rain Bath Shower Gel did the best. Under hair care, it was the Tigi Bed Head Shampoo and Conditioner, and under lotions, it was a Cetaphil moisturizing lotion. Unfortunately, the two that did the worst were both fall under the hair care, which would be the Kirkland Signature Moisturizer Shampoo and the Therapy Shampoo. Those definitely did not do so hot. This just kind of gives an overview of each of the products that we measured together and their sales over through the years. So definitely the Aveeno moisturizing lotion, they definitely were some strong, heavy competition because they continued to increase. They did have a decrease here recently, but over the years, most of the products have increased up until around 2017. Some of them have had a decrease, but overall, they did fairly well. This data sheet compares the sales and the years of each product as they continue to advance. This data sheet just kind of gives an overview of their sales in comparison to each other, showing like if you were to put their amount of sales like in a room, this is how much of their sales. So obviously like the Cetaphil still did the best, and down here we have the Nexxus and the Kirkland's Signature Moisturizing Shampoo. As you can see, these three actually came pretty close to each other. They were about a couple thousands away. They all did very well. The Neutrogena and the Cetaphil definitely did the best overall in sales. We have over here our summary sales. As you can see, the darker colors are the lower sales, and the bright red colors are the higher sales. And then right here in this happy yellow color, we have the middle amount of sales. So these did average, these did the best, and then these had the lowest amount of sales. So as we move on to our sheet 4, this shows the sales that we had or their overall profit of each product in different states. Unfortunately, Colorado definitely had the lowest amount of profit with all of the products. And the best ones that were probably the bigger states were California and New York. They had the highest amount of profit. All these grays in between, they were okay. They definitely could have advanced in different areas. We'll zoom in here. Like Florida, they had 10,491, which was a great sale profit for them. As you can see, these bigger states definitely have a larger profit because they have more people per square foot. Places like New Mexico and South Carolina that are less populated per square inch, like Wyoming, those are definitely going to have less of a profit for these different types of products, especially if it's harder for those states to get those products in. So this is just my dashboard. This is just showing everything that we kind of talked about, how each state did, their overall sales during the years, their competition against each other determined on their department, and this just kind of gives an overview, like a quick, nice little visual showing how each brand and different type of brand did against each other. Over here we have the little summaries just showing which each brand is and their colors coordinating. And then we'll move on to our story. So sheet 1, just to go over again, represents profits and total sales accumulated. Sheet 2 is the sales progressing over the years. Sheet 3, we have our total profit gained by each product. And sheet 4 is how much profit each state gained in the given amount of time. For this dashboard, we're just comparing honestly just the profits and sales because we were more concerned in our group with how well each product was doing. That way we could determine which products we needed to keep and which products we wanted to get rid of, and the upcoming determination of how each product did throughout the states. Even though we live here in Florida, we wanted to see which brands profited the most and which states could be able to use a little help and which states we were going to focus on. So this just gave us an overview on how to narrow down what we were looking for specifically. So that is my Tableau project for this class, and thank you guys for listening. Have a great day.